Hi and welcome back. Imagine owning a serene piece of land in Kiambu County, a perfect landscape for your dream home. But before you can break ground, there is a critical problem: getting your construction drawings approved. This process, while exciting, can be challenging, especially for those unfamiliar with Kenyan regulations. Let's guide you through this journey, ensuring a smooth and successful experience. You have carefully crafted your architectural plans, envisioning a beautiful home. But as you approach the local planning office, a wave of questions might arise. What are the specific requirements? How can you ensure compliance? We are here to provide the answers. Step 1: partnering with the right professionals. A qualified architect or a draftsman is essential for creating accurate and compliant drawings. Many people overlook this step, leading to delays and potential rejections. At View Enterprises, we connect you with professionals who understand Kenyan building codes and regulations, ensuring your plans are not only aesthetically pleasing but also legally sound. Step 2: submitting your drawings. Once your drawings are complete, it is time to submit them to the county planning office. The review process involves assessing factors like building codes, zoning regulations, and environmental impact. While this may seem straightforward, understanding the specific requirements is crucial to avoid delays. Step 3: the waiting game and inspections. The approval process can take time, depending on the complexity of your project and the workload of the planning office. During this period, you may be asked for revisions or clarifications. At View Enterprises, we provide ongoing support, ensuring smooth communication with the authorities and minimizing delays. And finally, step 4: final approval and construction. Upon approval, you are ready to start construction. However, it's important to maintain regular inspections to ensure ongoing compliance with the approved plans. Deviating from these plans without authorization can lead to legal issues. In conclusion, approving construction drawings in Kenya requires knowledge, patience, and a reliable partner. At View Enterprises, we offer comprehensive construction management services, helping you navigate the process seamlessly. From connecting you with qualified professionals to managing the approval process, we are dedicated to ensuring your project's success. Ready to embark on your construction journey in Kenya? Contact View Enterprises today. Let us handle the complexities so you can focus on realizing your dream home. Subscribe to our channel for more insider tips on construction in Kenya. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest updates.